Shivalik Bimetal Controls Ltd, a distinguished process and product engineering company, with a market cap of 3,350 crore rupees, and currently trading at 582 rupees per share. The company has a 31% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 80% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company was established in year 1984. They are headquartered in New Delhi with more than 800 employees. With 2 manufacturing plants in Solan, Himachal Pradesh. They are a distinguished process and product engineering company with products like shunt resistors and thermostatic bimetals, which are used in diverse industries like electrical, electronics, automotive, agricultural, medical, defense, telecommunications, and renewable energy systems. They have clients in both domestic and international market. The revenue of the company from exports has increased from the last fiscal year. There is an 18% increase in revenue from exports in Asian countries and Australia, 22% in Europe, and 49% in Americas, showing good signs of growth in the international market. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. The profits of the company increased almost 5 times in last 4 years. The company has a 134% CAGR for 3-year stock price. The quarter result of the company is also expected in few days. The promoters' holding of the company have dropped almost 19% in the last 4 years. On the bright side, the foreign and domestic investments of the company are increasing. Coming to some key highlights. In the year 2005, the company entered into a joint venture agreement with Chekan Corporation of Massachusetts, USA. Chekan and Shivalik own 50-50 ownership rights. The company entered another joint venture agreement in 2008 with Innovative Clad Solutions Private Limited, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Being one of the few manufacturers of bimetal parts and shunt resistors in India, the company faces limited competition. The company have experienced management team and good footprint in domestic market with clients in 18 states. They export to more than 125 clients in 40 countries, with 64.5% turnover from exports. The company have over 250 clients in both domestic and international market. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.